Welcome back to the Love Train Nation. Today's video is all about the latest travel updates to the Philippines, and specifically for foreign nationals traveling to the Philippines. If you're planning to travel there in August 2023, you don't want to miss the details coming up. Last month, we received some great news when President Bongbong Marcos signed Executive Order Proclamation 297, lifting all COVID-19 protocols for travel to the Philippines. That means no more travel restrictions. Now, the eTravel registration process has become much easier, with some steps being removed, including the health declaration. Registering with eTravel is essential, and it shouldn't be a hassle anymore. With the lifting of COVID-19 protocols, vaccinated travelers no longer need to show negative antigen or RT-PCR test results upon arrival. Fully vaccinated or not, you are welcome to the Philippines. However, there are a few reminders to consider before traveling to the Philippines as a foreign tourist. Make sure your passport has at least 6 months of validity upon arrival. Also, have a return or onward ticket within 30 days if you plan to stay longer than the initial 30-day visa-free entry. For those married to Filipino citizens, former Filipinos, or ballot bans, return tickets are not required, and you can fly to the Philippines on a one-way ticket. Remember, airlines might randomly check for onward tickets, so to avoid any issues, you can get a throwaway ticket to show your exit from the country. That wraps up the latest travel updates for foreign nationals visiting the Philippines in August 2023. Stay tuned to our channel for continuous updates and airport changes. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.